Hello, I'm Miss Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to use our school's library catalog. So to get there, the first thing we're going to do is go to the Riverdale homepage. From our homepage, under Academics, we're going to go to the third one down, Library Media Center. This is going to take us to our school's library homepage. Under our main image, click on Card Catalog. This is going to take us to the basic catalog for our library. From here, we're able to search by keyword, title, author, subject, so those are certain characteristics or themes within a book or series. Make sure if yours is not already set to Riverdale High School that you go ahead and select Riverdale High School. If you wanted to see what other schools have a particular book, you could search either Rutherford County Schools, which will include all elementary, middle, and high schools, or just select high schools. For today, we're going to stick with Riverdale High School. So if we wanted to search a book, we can go ahead and type in the title if you know it, and select title. If you knew the author, you could search that way. So here is Wonder. Our school has one copy, however, it is not available because it says 0. The next thing we would need to know is if a book was in, say I wanted Wonder Woman, it is available. I could go to the shelf and find it. The first thing we need to know is the location. All of our fiction section is now located in genres. So I would need to find the series section and then the call number. I would go under B for the author, BAR. If Wonder was available, I would go to the realistic fiction section and then PAL. If I wanted one of these nonfiction books located on the outside walls of our library, this one would be in the 600 section, and this one would be in the 500. So, two key things, location first for fiction, and then call number. Once you find a book that you like, you may click on the image or the title, and it will give you more information. So for this one, we had one copy, and it's available. Our entire school district has 14 copies, and 11 are available. Usually you have a short summary. And if you scroll down, you can find other information about the book. If you really like this book because it was about female friendship, brothers and sisters, action and adventure, you can click on any of these subheadings and it will find you other books that are similar. So if I wanted to click on brothers and sisters, it's going to pull up a list for me of other books that have that same topic, so I can find similar books. So this symbol is an ebook, so I would be able to check that out because it is in. And here are other books that I could find. So again, if I wanted to go find this book, I would go to the science fiction section and then ARN. This book is in a series, and I know that because it tells me this is book 1. So if you want to know what book it is in the series, the call number will be able to tell you that information. If it does not have anything afterwards, then it is not in a series. This is a book 1 in fantasy under ROT. So those are some of the information that you can find within a basic search. Now, part 2. If you want to know your specific account, we can go to log in. I have created a fake student. So when you log in, it's your first initial and your last name. For my example, my student's name is Test Student. So T Student. And your password is your lunch number. So to log into our library's website, it is the same as logging into any school computer. So once we log in, this is our landing screen. You could go to the catalog and do any of the functions that I just described. To find your own specific information, go to My Info. Once here, you will be able to see your account. So for this account, I have checked out a couple books. I have outbooked which is due on the 30th. If I lose it, I would be paying $10. I have out They Both Die at the End by Adam Silvera. Oops, it was due back on 4/3. Any book that is overdue will be in red so that you can tell the difference on what is past due and what is current. If I have lost it, I would be paying $17.99. Oops, I have a fine. I turned in a book late. For this book, I now owe $1.80. So you can see how much your fine is. Also, I can tell that I have put a book on hold. Simon vs. the Homo sapiens Agenda. I don't care what copy it is, I have one pending. So you are able to see all of this information under My Info after you sign in the top right corner. If there is a book that is out, just as Wonder was, come and ask us and we will put that book on hold for you. So I hope through today's lesson you have been able to learn how to search for a book, find out where it is on the shelf based on its location and call number. You know how to sign into your own account to check what books you have out, when they are due, and what fines you have. If you have questions, come ask us. Have a great day.